Where we are. That field is where I used to camp years ago, and so when Mitsubishi Shoguns first came out, we saw one just going up that hill there. Quite amazing. And I think actually I've been up there and round. God, it brings back so many memories. It's amazing. Anyway, pub, waterfall. So this was actually an old cobbled road, umpteen million years ago. There's a little wall here. And every now and then you get these little culverts where the water runs down, runs under. And it makes its way down to the North Sea. I think we're going up to the first viewing point here. Yeah, around here. So you can actually follow the paths in two different ways. So this is all part of the Cleveland Way up here. So if you'd gone that way, you can go head to Scarborough. This way's towards Whitby. And just here is a viewing point. This is actually marked on a map. Oh, the tide's quite out. Look at that. Oh, there's people down at the waterfall already. Don't believe it. So it's down there. Oh, there's actually a tent somebody's camped out overnight, the little tinkers. Well, yeah, I've been all rock pooling in here. Look how still it is. Wow, that's deeper than it used to be. That must have just really eroded it. That just used to be shallow and just used to run straight out. We used to go under that. We just used to be able to walk along there. You just can't beat the sound of running water. Just on the first set of steps, which was easier than I remember. Here's our next lot. Let's go! Oh. Get it over and done with. Panting now, Michael. Oh, God, they're big steps. Oh. Burning. Oh, that's you. Oh. Oh. You can't beat the Yorkshire countryside. Perfect. I've got some of these if you want to buy them. Already wrapped. Best offer. We've got about that many as well. It's a lovely breeze up here now after just going up all them steps. Yeah, can't fault it. Cutting across now off the Cleveland Way towards Staintondale. And yeah, get onto the old track bed. Oh, that's a lovely breeze. Reminds me of when I was in Scunny Desert. Whoa! Some sheep in that field. Just thinking what to post on my wall. That's what they say, isn't it? Can't beat a bit of dry stone walling. It's not something I've ever done. Oh, I'll give it a go, I think. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I could think of worse places to be. And here we are at the cinder track. Over the stile. Harry. Oh. That way to Whitby. That way to Scarborough. And back to Hayburn Wyke where we're heading back to. Flat surface now. Easy bit of the walk. Looks like it's been some MOT put down. So on that. That would be interesting if that's been dug out. There's an old marker. Interesting. Right, let's crack on. Right, so we're just walking down the cinder track and we're coming across old Staintondale. So there's the edge of the fence there for the platform. There's the platform along here, and the platform along here, and then the building along here. Hello, puppy. Hello. This is built out of stonework. Hi. So you can see all the old stone platform there. But this house here, what's been converted, it's beautiful. The old station house. Just look at this. Oh, I was hoping there might be something in the stone at the top, but there isn't. So this is the old Staintondale station. Station clock there. Let me just see if I can get a better picture of it. There you go, in there. But it just shows how long the trains were. Look at the length of this platform. So you can follow there, all the way back, all the way right down there. History. Just found this in the ground, and I just beat all the living daylights out of the crap. It looks like some sort of fixing nail at some point, maybe to fix in a chair. Yeah. So I'm at Staintondale and I'm just looking on the disused platform, and I found a length of rail. You can see the holes there where the fish plates went through, and there's actually the head of one of the bolts what's been sheared off. I tried to uncover most of it. It's used to get the foundry marker on it, who made it, but I can't see anything yet, and it's too bloody long and heavy to lift up. Let's see if I can uncover a bit more. Artifacts. Part of railway history. I think under here. Oh my god, there's another length under there. Actually, has that got a mark on it? Right, this is private property and I'm on this side of the fence. But you can see there, look, this would have been the sidings where they were loaded on, probably animals and stuff. There's a gate up there. There's actually a Staintondale bench there. There. I can't focus. But all this is private now. Yeah. Just waiting for a train. Jump down. Station cottage. We've put private road here, but I don't know how it could be. Look at that though. Imagine just coming onto that. That's where you live. And station cottage. And that's the guys who are doing the work. So it's probably that guy who probably excavated the pot I found. In this railway line closed really, when you think about everything what goes on at Whitby now. You know, your golf weekends, you've got the Heartbeat Country, the Heritage Railway at Gromont. So this is where this platform was extended with brickwork, English bond, or English Garden Wall bond. No, it's English bond because it's every other course. So look at the actual platform's actually on a curve as well. Well, I never thought I'd find something on this old track. So these are definitely some sort of railway marker. Because all this has been dug out, these have been unearthed. But look what else I found. I've just found an insulating pot from when there was the telegraph wires going along here. And it was just sat there. Somebody's picked it up and sat it in there. But you know what? That's coming home with me, because that is a piece of history, that is. Yep, you can see where the wires was around the edge, look. God, it just shows you never know what you're going to find. Mine's is. But I've just seen, so they've got road rollers, excavators and stuff, so it looks like they're tidying up all the paths, so there's every chance that more of this stuff is going to get unearthed. Which I might have to keep coming back and having a look. Right, on to the next part. Look at that! That has been there forever. Caution, catch points. So catch points, what they were for, because this is on an embankment going uphill this way, if the train lost its brakes, it'd run back and automatically derail. So that's what catch points were for, to stop the train going all the way back down there and causing a crash further down. So the catch points would have been here. Basically they're warning, so when the driver sees it, he knows not to set back because of the catch points. You'd have to get them locked out so he could set back or reverse in you normal people terms. So yeah, station, catch points, they're protecting the gradient. Signs of the railway still evident along here. 2024 we're in now. This was probably closed around about 1963. But, look at this bridge. I mean, this is just the marvels of construction. Look at it. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. There's a map here. For some reason, I think people are supposed to have been diverted. What's it say there? Cinder Trail. Oh, it's just information. Apologies for any inconvenience, that's the works they're doing. Anyway, just look at this. Look, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. And you look at some of the houses what get built now and they're absolutely atrocious. So that's acting like a buttress, alright, to hold the ground back. You see you've got no actually lateral movement in this structure because it's a vertical wall. And you've got your arch to take the weight from above, works on compression and gravity, and your keystone there. Brilliant. Just look at it. There's not a thing wrong with it. Look at the old carbon deposits. Look all the corners where the mason doing all these. It's fascinating. Absolutely fascinating. Sure there's no date stamps on them. No bridge number either, that would have been good if there was a bridge number plate still on it. So for all those who don't know, on the railway you've got numbers for every bridge, whether it be one you cross over or one you go under. You can see here, look, you can see where the sleepers were. Anyway, so yeah, so bridges, whether you go under them over, are numbered. Tunnels have all got names. There you go, just a little pointer for you. This looks like this was reduced to single track at some point. It's dead centre here, so this would have been the ballast in between, and the darker part is where the sleeper would have sat. Fascinating. Oh, I'm glad I came down here now. It's just like going back through history a little bit. Just see where the track bed was. Well, the track bed's still here actually. The track. Put another bridge. It's actually got a brick archway in this one, not a stone. The weepholes in the stonework. Yeah. So them holes there, that one there, that one there, that one, they should be on this side as well. But basically you used to put a former on there to build your archway. Looks like one's pointing up a bit. You can see all marks in the pegs, in the stonework, where stuff's been fastened to. Yeah, it's very good. No date bridge, no dates. So I'm sure the next station along here should be the Hayburn Wyke. Little underbridge here, stone underbridge for the farmers' access. Down there, oh, I wonder if I could get down there. Let me have a look. Look at that. I'm not going all the way down. It's probably just a cattle path really. It's not a culvert, because there's a gate on the other side of there. Yeah, he's never going to get a vehicle down here, so I reckon it was just for cattle to get under. And up on the other side, you can see there's the gate down there into the field. Cool. Where is it? Confused.com. I'm not sure if that's one of the old railway structures. Platform is just down here. I think that probably is an old railway structure, an old railway house. Yeah, it is. That's the road we came down over there, down there. So if the platform still exists, I'm sure it was a wooden platform here, and it was only one-sided. I think it was on this side, but I could be totally wrong. Hayburn Wyke platform without its copers, a bit hard to see, but you can see the concrete corbels, or stone corbels even, which came over, and then the platform edge coping would have sat along the top. You can still see the fence there, which is in good nick. It's better than my fence in my garden, to be fair. I can't see it now. Sure I saw it earlier. There it is. So they've used the piece of railway as a lintel. There's a timber box in there. I'm wondering if it was to operate some mechanicals run down here for where the level crossing would have been. I know there's a picture in the pub, and it shows the platform here, and it shows a box somewhere there, so it could well truly have been that. Yeah, not bad at all. I don't think there's any evidence of the old crossing, apart from the gate post there. Big massive gate post. Yeah, so level crossing gate post, about the only thing left, really. That's all new there, the paint display. And back to the pub. Hayburn Wyke Inn. Not a bad jolly, that. No, that's not the right thing to do. You drive into the car park. Anyone with half a brain.